Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is going to be the ribbon twist knot. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's going to be at my belt line as usual. Now we're going to do this a little bit differently. We're going to come over here. We're going to kind of bring this to the center. But before I even do that, I'm going to take my right hand side here and I'm just going to kind of lightly twist it like this. Alright. This is the ribbon twist right here. Now I'm going to bring it over here to the center. I'm going to bring it around here like this. Alright. Now, this, people have kind of maybe done this before. I don't think anyone's done it the way I'm going to do it. So I think this might be my next contribution here. I'm going to kind of, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it like this. And the reason I'm doing it a little different, I'm keeping these loose. I'm keeping these very loose. We're going to come up here, we've got to secure it at some point. So this is how we're going to secure it. We're going to fold it in half and we're going to come back around like so. Now what makes the ribbon twist different is, I've done the wreath and it's really tight. I know Boris Smoke has done things a lot like this. But it's so loose and it's so zany that it's almost a different technique. It's basically doing the wreath, but it's really, you're light folding it. You're kind of turning it, but you're not really turning it tight like the wreath. So you're kind of leaving space in there to where it looks like this. So that's how we're going to call it, the ribbon twist. So this is the next edition. So master this knot right here. We're just going to put this somewhere underneath here. So I've brought and we're just going to put it underneath there. This is the ribbon twist. It's got these, it just kind of looks like a ribbon that you get. Let me fix this. It looks like a ribbon that you get that kind of curls up. That's what I want it to look like. And it kind of has all these little jaggedy things in there. But that's the ribbon twist. We're going to use this technique for a lot of knots coming up. So be on the lookout for that. So on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials.